For me, the road to realizing smart factories, that is something that the customers have already very clearly understood. But there's one point that is sometimes missing, which are the resources to get there. And that could, for example, and very typically, include a specific budget for a data scientist or an AI specialist. So these people, they are not only hard to find, but also not the cheapest ones. And why not putting the human more into the focus of our activities and use existing staff to start a data science journey using what we call a dedicated virtual AI data scientist. And that will then support him in his activities. And to give you one example, with the data analytics software MyLab, we are, in a simple way, able to find abnormalities in your production data, to find product deviations in terms of quality from your product, and we can pre-inform operators accordingly. And everyone, from my understanding, can become a basic data scientist without having expert skills or even going into a very long and advanced training, because that is exactly what we did. We added our own virtual AI data scientist to our software. And that gives two main customer benefits. It will first of all guide the user through all the previously described 4 steps of a data science project. And even more, it will provide fast results and a simple implementation. With that will finally then result in a very good and very measurable return on investment.
How is it possible that MyLab can somehow give you hints and give you some ideas of how to analyze the data?
Well, I was first of all surprised by myself that MyLab is able to do that, but that is mainly caused by having 20 years of experience with data science in various different industries as Mitsubishi Electric, and that knowledge went completely into MyLab in order to help customers starting their data science journey.